Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Fireside.
Hi, I'm so happy you are here with us today.
My name is Nina, and I love talking about everyday life.
And my name is Marco. It is great to be here with you.
Today's topic is really fun.
Yes, we're talking about daily routines and habits,
A routine is the things you do every day in the same order,
like brushing your teeth in the morning.
or drinking coffee before work.
We all have our own habits.
Some habits are very good. Some are not so good.
That is very true.
Today, Marco and I will share our daily routines with you.
And we hope you can learn some useful vocabulary.
Words like routine, habit, and schedule.
These are great words for talking about your day.
What time do you wake up, Marco?
I wake up at 6:30. What about you, Nina?
I wake up at 7. I need my sleep.
I love mornings, but not everyone does.
That is true. I am not a morning person at all.
Well, let's talk more about that in a moment.
Are you ready to learn, everyone?
Let's start with the morning routine.
Let's go.
So, Nina, tell me about your morning.
Okay. My alarm goes off at 7 o'clock.
Just one alarm? Or do you use many alarms?
Many alarms. I need about 5 alarms to wake up.
5 alarms. That is a lot.
I know. I always want more sleep in the morning.
I only use one alarm. It always works for me.
Wow. You are very disciplined, Marco.
Maybe. I just really love mornings.
What is the first thing you do when you wake up?
I open the curtains to let in the light.
Oh, that is nice. I keep my curtains closed.
Then I drink a big glass of water.
Water? Not coffee first?
Water first, then coffee. That is my rule.
I go straight to coffee. No water for me.
Do you make coffee at home or buy it?
I make it at home. I have a small coffee machine.
I also make it at home. I use a simple pot on the stove.
How long does your whole morning routine take?
About 1 hour. I like to take my time.
1 hour sounds nice. I only have 30 minutes.
Really? That is very fast.
Yes. I shower quickly and eat a small breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast, Nina?
Usually toast with butter and a boiled egg.
Simple and quick. Good choice.
What do you eat, Marco?
I eat oatmeal with some fruit on top.
Oatmeal is very healthy, but it takes time to cook.
You can make it the night before and just heat it up.
Oh, that is a great idea. I never thought of that.
It saves a lot of time in the morning.
Do you eat breakfast every single day?
Yes, always. Breakfast gives me energy for the whole day.
Me too. I cannot work without eating first.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, right away. That is probably a bad habit.
Many people do that.
I read news and messages while I am still in bed.
I try not to use my phone in the bedroom at all.
That is very healthy. I should try that.
It helps me feel more calm in the morning.
Do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
I shower at night. I like to feel clean before bed.
I shower every morning. It wakes me up fast.
Oh, cold showers or warm showers?
Very warm showers. Cold water is too shocking for me.
I agree. Cold showers are not for me either.
Do you get dressed quickly in the morning?
Yes. I always wear jeans and a simple shirt.
Every day the same style?
Kind of. It saves time. No thinking needed.
That is smart. I spend too much time choosing clothes.
What takes you so long?
I look at my clothes and I cannot decide.
Try to pick your clothes the night before.
Oh, another good tip. You are full of good ideas, Marco.
I have learned from many bad mornings.
That is a good teacher.
Do you have a morning habit that you never skip?
Yes. I always drink my coffee slowly and look outside.
That sounds very peaceful.
It is my quiet moment before a busy day.
I love that. I always read for 10 minutes with my coffee.
10 minutes of reading every single morning?
Yes, a book or sometimes a short news article.
I am too sleepy to read in the morning.
Coffee helps a lot with that.
That is very true. After coffee, I feel much better.
Now let's talk about the rest of the day.
Yes. What do you do after your morning routine?
I walk to work. I start at 8:30.
You walk to work? How long does that take?
About 10 minutes. I live very close to my office.
That is so nice. You are very lucky.
Yes, I love it. The walk helps me think and wake up.
I take the bus to work. It takes about 20 minutes.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music or a podcast. It makes the time go fast.
Oh, that is a great use of your travel time.
Yes, I learn while I travel. I like that a lot.
What time do you start work, Nina?
I start at 9 o'clock and finish at 5.
9 to 5. That is the classic schedule.
Very classic. What about you, Marco?
I work from 8:30 to 4:30.
Oh, you finish earlier than me.
Yes, but I also start earlier. It balances out.
What kind of work do you do, Marco?
I work with computers. I fix technical problems for people.
Oh, you're in IT?
Yes, it is a lot of problem solving every day.
I work in an office too. I help customers with questions.
That sounds busy. Do you like talking to people?
Yes, I love it. People are always interesting.
Do you take breaks during the day?
Yes. I take a short break at about 10:30.
What do you do on your break?
I walk around the office and drink another coffee.
Another coffee. How many coffees do you drink a day?
About 3. Is that too many?
Huh, that might be a little too many.
I know, but I love coffee so much.
I drink 2 a day, one in the morning and one after lunch.
That is a good system. What do you eat for lunch?
I usually bring food from home. A sandwich most days.
I bring lunch sometimes, but sometimes I buy it near work.
What do you buy?
A salad or some soup. Something light and healthy.
Good choice. Heavy food makes me very sleepy in the afternoon.
Yes, the afternoon tiredness is very real.
Huh, it is completely real. I know it well.
Do you feel sleepy after lunch, Marco?
Sometimes. I try to go for a short walk after eating.
Oh, that is a good idea. Does it help?
Yes, even 5 minutes outside helps a lot.
I sometimes open a window for fresh air. That helps too.
Fresh air is so important during the workday.
Do you have many meetings at work?
We have one big team meeting every Monday morning.
Every Monday? That is a nice way to start the week.
Yes, we plan what to do that week together as a team.
I have 2 or 3 meetings on some days.
How do you feel about meetings?
Sometimes useful, but sometimes they're too long.
Huh, short meetings are always better.
Definitely. Do you write a to-do list for your day?
Yes, I write a list at the start of every day.
Do you use paper or a phone app?
I use a paper notebook. I like writing by hand.
Me too. There is something very nice about writing on paper.
Yes, and it feels great to cross things off the list.
Crossing things off is so satisfying.
It really is. One of the best feelings in the day.
Ha! I agree completely. Okay, now let's talk about the evening.
Yes, the evening is my favorite part of the day.
Mine too. What time do you get home, Marco?
I finish at 4:30, so I get home around 4:45.
That is early. You have a lot of evening time.
Yes, I love that. What about you, Nina?
I get home around 5:30 or 6 o'clock.
What's the first thing you do when you get home?
I change my clothes immediately. Work clothes off.
Huh, me too. Comfortable clothes on right away.
It feels so good to change after a long day.
It is like switching off work mode completely.
Exactly. Do you cook dinner, Marco?
Yes, most nights I cook at home.
What kind of food do you make?
Simple things. Pasta, rice, vegetables, sometimes fish.
Do you enjoy cooking?
I do. It is very relaxing for me after a busy day.
Same for me. I find cooking very calming.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
Around 7 o'clock. That is my usual dinner time.
Me too. 7 is a good time for dinner.
Do you eat alone or with someone?
I live alone, but I video call my family sometimes during dinner.
Oh, that is sweet. I live with my partner, so we eat together.
That is nice. Having company at dinner is lovely.
Yes. We always talk about our days over food.
After dinner, what do you do, Nina?
I clean the kitchen first. I cannot stand a messy kitchen.
Good habit. I also clean right after eating.
Then I relax on the sofa for a while.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes. I like drama shows and nature documentaries.
Oh, nature documentaries are so interesting.
I find them very relaxing to watch after dinner.
I watch sports sometimes, and comedy shows too.
A comedy is great. Laughing in the evening feels so good.
Yes, it helps you forget any stress from the day.
Do you use your phone in the evening?
A little, but I try to put it away after 8 o'clock.
That is a very healthy habit, Marco.
I want to relax without screens before I go to bed.
I check social media in the evening. Maybe too much.
It's hard not to. Social media is very addictive.
Very addictive. I am trying to use it less.
Do you have evening hobbies?
Yes. I draw in a small sketchbook most evenings.
Oh, wow. You draw? What do you draw?
Plants, animals, things I see around my home.
That sounds so relaxing and creative.
It really is. It is like meditation for me.
I play guitar in the evenings.
Oh, you play guitar. That is wonderful.
I'm not very good yet, but I enjoy it very much.
How long have you played?
About 2 years now. I started during a long holiday.
That is great. Practice makes perfect.
Yes, I practice for about 30 minutes each evening.
Do you do anything special before you go to bed?
Yes, I always read for 30 minutes before sleeping.
You love reading. You read in the morning and at night.
Huh, yes. Books are my best friends.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30. I try to sleep by 11 at the latest.
I also go to bed around 10:30. We have the same schedule.
Huh, that is funny. Do you fall asleep quickly?
Not always. Sometimes I lie awake for a long time.
Do you use your phone in bed?
Sometimes. That is probably the reason I cannot sleep.
Phone light keeps your brain very awake.
I know. I really should stop doing that.
It is hard. We are all a little addicted to our phones.
Ha! That is so true. Even I know it is bad, but I still do it.
Maybe we can both try to stop this week.
Deal. Let's try together. Let's talk about healthy habits now.
Yes, good habits make your life much better.
Do you exercise regularly, Marco?
Yes, I try to exercise almost every day.
Every day. That is very impressive.
Well, not always hard exercise. Sometimes just a walk.
That still counts. Walking is great exercise.
Yes, movement is movement. Every little bit helps.
I try to exercise about 3 times a week.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I go to a yoga class on Tuesday and Thursday evening.
Oh, yoga. I want to try that someday.
You should. It is great for your body and your mind.
Does it help you relax?
Very much. I always feel calm and happy after yoga.
That sounds perfect for after a long work day.
Exactly. Do you go to a gym, Marco?
No, I prefer exercising outside in the fresh air.
Like running?
Yes, I run about 3 times a week.
How far do you run each time?
About 5 kilometers. It takes around 30 minutes.
5 kilometers is great. I could never run that far.
You can start small. Even 1 kilometer is a great start.
Maybe I will try one day. You make it sound easy.
It gets easier with practice. Like anything.
Do you listen to music when you exercise?
Yes, always. Music helps me keep going when I'm tired.
Same. I always listen to music when I do yoga.
Oh, yoga with music? What kind of music?
Slow, calm music. It helps me focus.
That makes sense. I listen to rock music when I run.
Rock music. Fast and strong. Perfect for running.
Yes, it gives me energy. Do you sleep enough each night?
I try to sleep about 7 or 8 hours.
That is a good amount. I also sleep around 7 hours.
Do you have a set bedtime every night?
Yes, around 10:30. I am very consistent about it.
Consistency is so important for good sleep.
Yes, your body learns when to feel tired.
That is interesting. So your body has its own clock.
Exactly. Sleep scientists call it the body clock.
I learn something new every day talking to you, Marco.
Huh. I read a lot of books about health.
Do you drink enough water during the day?
I try to. I have a big water bottle on my desk at work.
Oh, that is a great reminder. I always forget to drink water.
The bottle on your desk reminds you automatically.
I need to get a big water bottle. That is a simple but good idea.
Simple habits are often the best habits.
Do you eat healthy food most of the time?
Pretty healthy, yes. Lots of vegetables and fruits.
But you drink 3 coffees a day.
Huh. Coffee is a vegetable in my opinion. Marco.
Wait, now I am Marco? I think you meant Nina.
Huh. Sorry. I am Marco. Nina, coffee is not a vegetable.
Ah, okay. I know that.
What about snacks? Do you eat snacks during the day?
Yes. I sometimes eat chips in the afternoon. Not so healthy.
I like nuts and a piece of fruit. Good afternoon snacks.
Good snacks. I should eat more nuts and less chips.
A small amount of chips is okay. Balance is the key.
True. I try not to eat too much sugar either.
Me too. I stopped putting sugar in my coffee last year.
Oh, that is hard to do. I still use a little sugar.
It was hard at first, but now I prefer coffee without sugar.
Wow. Maybe I should try that.
Start with less sugar each week. Slowly.
That is good advice. Small changes are easier to keep.
Exactly. Small habits add up to big changes over time.
That is very wise, Marco.
Huh. I read it in a book, of course.
Of course you did. You're always reading.
Books are full of great advice.
Do you have any other good daily habits?
I try to spend 10 minutes outside in the morning sunlight.
Oh, just standing in the sun?
Yes, it helps wake up your body and makes you feel happy.
That sounds really nice, especially in summer.
Yes, summer is beautiful for that. Winter is much harder.
Ha! In winter the sun is not always there.
But even cloudy daylight still helps your body clock.
I did not know that. I learned something new today.
See, healthy habits are interesting to talk about.
They really are. And now I want to try some of your habits.
Me too. I want to try your yoga class.
Deal. You come to yoga, I go running with you.
Huh, that sounds like a good plan. Okay, let's wrap up today's episode.
Yes. We talked about so many things today.
We started with morning routines.
Nina needs 5 alarms. Marco only needs 1.
Huh, that is a very big difference.
We talked about the workday and lunch breaks.
And about commuting to work by bus and by foot.
Then we talked about evening habits
Like cooking dinner and watching TV.
and hobbies like drawing and playing guitar,
We also talked about healthy habits.
exercise, water, sleep, and food.
All very important parts of a good daily routine.
And we learned some great vocabulary today.
Words like routine, habit, schedule, and consistent.
Very useful words for talking about your day.
So listeners, what about you?
What time do you wake up in the morning?
Are you a morning person or a night person?
What do you eat for breakfast every day?
Do you have one habit you do every single day?
Try to describe your daily routine in English.
Use words like routine, habit, and schedule.
You can write it down in a notebook.
Or say it out loud to yourself. Both are great practice.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you learned some useful English with us.
See you next time on English Fireside.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.